Welcome, esteemed audience, to today's lecture where we embark on a journey through the intricacies of financial markets, focusing our lens on the fascinating realm of uptrends, particularly in the context of a bullish market structure. Get ready to dive into the nuances of swings, corrections, and the rhythmic waves that shape the landscape of market trends. 1. Structure of an uptrend, bull market, swing, correction dynamics. Let's start by dissecting the swing and correction dynamics within an uptrend, as they play a pivotal role in understanding the ebb and flow of market movements. Swing, correction, a higher low, HL. In the dance of market fluctuations, a swing or correction is like the graceful choreography of a higher low. It's a moment of pause, a breath between steps. Now, here's a crucial point. If the swing or correction is lower than the last recorded higher low, HL, it signals a potential shift. It's akin to a change in the melody. The current HL, being lower than the previous one, suggests a conclusion to the prevailing trend. Caution is warranted at this juncture. The trend might be on the verge of a downward shift or a complete transformation. The market is whispering change, and it's time to listen attentively. Picture this as a musical composition. When the notes start descending, the symphony might be taking a different turn. Appreciate your presence today. Keep connected and follow BTCcapitals for future updates. Thank you.